I know how to.
You're not even holding it right.
Don't do this to me.
That is our only can opener. Don't cut yourself.
No. Shut up. No.
I'll give you $100 if you don't spill any juice on the counter. If you don't spill at all, I don't care what it lands on.
Come on, you guys specific. Come on now. How's it? Which way is it? They don't make them like they used to, do they? Wait, I done go all the way around in a circle.
You done gone all the way around.
Why is it not going?
What you done?
You see, it's got a grip now.
Make a mess.
No, I'm not.
The can's open, honey.
Maybe it's already open. Maybe it's already open. Can you hand me a fork? Or something I can pry this? Wait. Oh. When I was a kid, I used to use ones. I used to use the ones where you like twist it and it opens the top and bends the top back. This is what happens when you get. You know what? Come on. Oh.
There's actually on the can opener, there's a way for you to grab it. There's little teeth. Do you see those? There it is. Okay, now do that 3 more times and strain out the juice. You can take pictures later. All right, first step, put the tuna in the container.
Girl, I know what I'm doing.
That's not the next step.
Yeah, it is. Why wouldn't it be? Who cares?
All right,
All tuna is
put the mayonnaise in. Do it.
All tuna is mush anyway.
Why are you yelling at me?
I'm not baby, I ain't yelling at you, you know.
Don't mix it in yet, because you got to put the spoon back in. You don't want to...
Okay. So how would you do this?
You need to put more mayonnaise on there. I don't make healthy tuna. Wait.
I don't want to dirty up another spoon.
Okay, can you bring the container closer so I see how much mayonnaise you put in there? Okay, that's good.
Okay.
Okay, now get rid of that spoon. Oh, gross. Yeah, that's not how mayonnaise is meant to be. All right, stop. Intermission. So you see all that stuff? First, let's talk about what we're putting in here, right? We're putting red onions.
Red onions.
Celery.
Celery.
And that last little combination right there, that just makes it easier to chop in my little chopper. But it's just a combination of the red onions, garlic, and cilantro.
Cilantro?
Yeah. If you try to chop up the garlic or cilantro by themselves in my little chopper, it's a little difficult. But if you throw in onions, it makes it easier.
That's nice.
So that's our combo. So put all of that in there.
Okay.
And then you also want to get a good amount of the chopped green onions in there too.
Chopped green onions.
Yeah, or like a fistful. Looks good.
Okay.
Okay.
Done.
Now, next step. Olive oil. That's good. Next step, lemon juice, but you gotta squeeze it. You're gonna need use the little squeezer so you don't get any seeds in there. Yeah, so no, not like that. Hold it upright on the table. No, not like this. Okay, and now put the lemon on there, on the top, and then rotate it. Push down and rotate.
Oh, is this how lemonade is made?
Yeah.
What?
Like
how many lemons does it take to make lemonade?
Well, you'll see. So until you can get no more juice out, and then do the other half like that too.
Dang.
I do this every time I make tuna salad.
Uh-huh. Your labor of love is really something else, you know?
I just love you so much.
I love you so much.
You can get some more juice out of there.
My hand hurt.
Alright, fine. It's your tuna salad.
Okay.
Don't break the thing.
You said I could get more.
Okay. Alright, that's good.
Ooh, that's a lot.
Take the top off.
That's a shot of whiskey.
Be careful. Pull it straight up or you're going to spill all the juice.
It's like a car crash that you just can't avoid. You see it coming. It's just not.
Huh?
Hey, Father God, I'm about to make a mess in here tonight. Oh,
Wiggle it.
I'm trying.
You got this, baby. There you go. See?
Ooh.
All you have to do is believe. Now, put all the juice in the container. And now, your last two steps are salt and cayenne pepper.
You put cayenne pepper in here?
Yeah, what do you think gives it that kick?
What?
You didn't notice it had a kick to it?
How much cayenne pepper you put?
Start shaking, I'll tell you when. That's good.
You put that much cayenne pepper?
That's good, yeah. It's powder.
Yeah, but it's spicy.
Yeah, but look how much tuna's in there. And then the salt, just sprinkle this in lightly. That's good. And now take your fork and mix it all up. Very good, very thorough. That's too light. Here, hold the camera.
No. Hold the camera for what?
I like to hold the fork like this. And then just beat it on the edges, yeah.
You like beating it on the edges?
Yeah.
I'm more of a get to the point man myself.
It doesn't look like it.
But I can do edges. I can get used to edges, you know?
Yeah, beat it.
Beat it.
Beat it.
Don't know what I feel. Don't matter, you right. It doesn't matter.
You got distracted already.
Just beat it.
Okay, can you pick this up and look at the side and see how unmixed it is?
Just.
Also, come closer to the counter because we don't need to see your undies.
Why? What's wrong with my undies?
I don't know. I'm going to put this on YouTube.
They can see me in my undies.
All right, baby.
All right, here we
Getting somewhere.
See, I told you. Look at that.
Now, point it towards here so we can all see it.
Wait, let me make it pretty. I think it's, oh God, I'm looking like my mom where she like mashes it over the food and trying to make it pretty.
There it is.
Awesome.
That's that tuna salad.
And this will become my lunch for the next, how many days? Week. Until we do this again.
Say goodbye.
Bye-bye!